Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will understand how to calculate the fan shaft input power. We will discuss about the above topic today. Next, we will learn and understand the formula used to calculate the fan shaft input power. Next, the fan shaft input power calculation formula is: fan shaft input power is equal to volume in meter cube per second into the total pressure in millimeters of the water column, and the obtained value is divided by 102 into the fan mechanical efficiency eta in percentage. Where next, the fan volume in meter cubes per second. Next, the fan total pressure is in millimeters of the water column. Next is the fan's mechanical efficiency in percentage. Next, we will learn and understand how to calculate the fan shaft input power. The FD fan has a capacity of 30 cubic meters sec, a total pressure of 300 mmWc, and a mechanical efficiency of 85%. We need to calculate the fan shaft input power. Given data. The first parameter is, the fan volume is, a 30 meter cube per second. The second parameter is, the fan total pressure is, 300 millimeters of water column. The third parameter is, the fan mechanical efficiency is, 85%. Next, the fan shaft input power calculation formula is: volume in meter cube per second into the total pressure in millimeters of the water column, and the obtained value is divided by 102 into the fan mechanical efficiency eta in percentage. Apply the given data to get the fan shaft input power is 30 multiplied by 300, and the obtained value is divided by 102 into 0.85. Next, 9000 is divided by the 86.7. Therefore, the fan shaft input power is 103.806 kilowatts. We hope everyone understands how to calculate the fan shaft input power. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.